Life in a desert. The desert biome. Earth's driest biome is the desert. Less than 10 inches, 25 centimeters, of precipitation falls in a desert per year. This biome looks empty. Sand or ice and snow can cover the rocky ground. Deserts often lie close to the tropics. Their location near the equator makes most hot. Cooler deserts usually lie farther north and south. The largest and coldest one is at the South Pole. The climate. All deserts have a dry climate. Any precipitation usually comes in a short burst. Strong winds hit often. They can change the look of the land. Winds blow sand or snow into dunes. Temperatures in the hottest deserts go above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. The coldest deserts stay below freezing most of the time. The change in temperature from day to night is extreme. Few clouds are present to block the sun or trap its heat. The plants. Desert plants have to live on little water. Their unusual leaves keep them from drying out. Many are tiny and waxy to seal in water. Some plants have hairy leaves or spines. These protect the plants from the sun and even hungry animals. The roots of some desert plants grow very deep. This helps them collect and hold as much water as possible. Collected water flows to other plant parts. Those parts swell to store it. The animals. Desert animals try to avoid extreme temperatures. Nocturnal creatures hide underground during the day. They come out when the sun goes down. Other animals rest by rocks and plants. They find shade and cover from the wind. Animals struggle to find water in the desert. It usually comes from plants, insects, or other foods. Sometimes there is an oasis. Some animals live on stored fat from their tail or hump. Camels can go weeks without drinking water. The Sahara Desert.